Hello guys, in this video I'll be talking about Python data types and variables. Hello guys, welcome to another video. I'll be talking about Python data types and variables. Yes, talking about Python data types and variables. So let's start with the variables aspect. So variable in Python is used for storing your program's data, and variable is just like a container for storing information like lists, numbers, and so on. So talking about the Python variables, we can define a variable name and taking a string of text here, and a string is a series of text in double quotes. So with my variable name and a string of text, my name is Josh. This is an example of a variable storing a string, and the string is my name is Josh. So talking more about the variables, and variables, storing variables can be in different types. Storing a variable in form of text, which is a string, and storing a variable in form of numbers, which is an integer. Storing a variable in form of an integer can be number equals to 3. 3 is an integer, and we can also store variables. We can also create a variable that will be storing a boolean value, which is known as a true or false, on and off, 1 or 0. Like boolean values in Python is mostly true or false. So I can store a data of true or false in a variable name. Let me call let me call it um can just name it anything. My name, let's say my name my name equals true. And mind you, while writing the true, you have to start with on uppercase, because Python doesn't take the boolean value in lowercase. It starts with uppercase, which is T for capital letter, and the rest will have to be in lowercase. In Python, we can also create a variable that is storing a floating point value, which are values that are decimal points. As an example is just like this: float equals 3.65. Now this float equals 3.65 is an example of a variable storing a floating point number. So for us to check out our data type and print it out to the console, which is the terminal, we have to use the print function to print out all our declared variables. Doing that, we have to declare the print function. The print function is a function that is used for printing out everything you've done so far, and displaying it on the console or the terminal. So using the print function, in the open parentheses, you have to enter your declared variable, which are name, number, my name, and floats. So starting with the first variable we declared, which was name, we have to enter the variable name into the parentheses, and let's run our code. This should display my name is Josh on the terminal. So starting printing the second variable, which is number, we do likewise same thing. Print numbers, print number. So this should print my name is Josh, and on the next line it will print 3. And Python interprets the codes line by line. So the Python interpreter will go over to line 8 and check through the code, print name. Then after that, it will go over to line and check the code, print number. Then it will print it accordingly. So let's print the remaining variables. Say print uh my name, and print float. Yeah. So on our terminal, we can see the Python interpreted the code by printing it line by line. with the first line saying my name is Josh, the second line saying 3, and the third line saying true, while the last line saying the floating point value, which was 3.65. So these are how to declare a variable and print out your variable on the terminal. And in Python, we can add variables together with the use of a format string. A format string like adds different variables together into a whole string for it to show on a single line on the terminal. And this makes it easy for you to write your code, and it's very efficient. For example, we can try making a format string, and making a format string is the use of the print function with a small letter f or a capital letter F. So using the small letter F, I'll put in my double quotes, meaning that I want to format a string. I want to add variables into my current string. So adding the variable into my current string, I will have to use the curly braces. The curly braces is used for housing the variable in the format string. So using the curly braces, I will have to put my declared variable, which was name, and I can add some texts. Everything is still in the double quote, meaning it's still a string. So, and what I'm currently doing is formatting a string. So what I want to print is my name is Josh and my current age is 3. So yeah, with the use of the format string, I'm adding the name variable, which is taking the string my name is Josh, and I'll be adding another text, which is my current age. But I didn't declare my current age in a variable, but it's also possible since I'm making a format string that will also store a new string that I'm about to declare, which is my age is my age is 3. My age is 3. We don't need to put in the 3 value in the string. No, we just have to call out the put out the declared variable, which was number. I can just call this number as I can declare the variable as age storing number 3, and I'll come back to my format string, print the formatted string of name my age is, with curly braces storing the variable 3. I'll put age. So I can run this on my terminal and see how it will go. So this should print my name is Josh, my age is 3. So I can just make some little adjustment by adding a comma to it. My name is Josh, and my current age is 3. So let's print this. My name is Josh, comma, and my current age is 3. This is just the little basics about Python data types and variable. Thank you for watching.